Hello Vitality lovers! Are you looking for healthy and delicious options for your daily diet? We're here to help. Today we want to share with you 10 healthy meals that you can prepare and enjoy each week. These dishes are not only tasty, but also rich in essential nutrients for your well-being. Are you ready to find out what we suggest? But first, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to not miss our next videos, and write a comment below with the dish you like the most. Number 1. Quinoa and vegetable salad. This dish is full of protein, complex carbohydrates, and vegetables. Quinoa is a source of complete proteins and vegetables provide a wide range of nutrients. Number 2. Vegetable soup. Soups are a simple way to eat many vegetables in a single meal. You can add legumes to increase the soup's protein content. Number 3. Baked salmon and sweet potatoes. Salmon is rich in omega-3s, which are important for heart health. Sweet potatoes are a source of complex carbohydrates and have a lower glycemic index compared to white potatoes. Number 4. Vegetable frittata. Frittata is a great way to use vegetable leftovers. You can also add proteins like meat or cheese to make it more satisfying. Number 5. Chicken and vegetable tacos. Tacos are a fun way to eat vegetables and protein. Choose a whole grain corn tortilla to increase fiber content. Number 6. Grilled vegetable flatbread. The flatbread is a lighter version of the classic flatbread, with grilled vegetables instead of cheese. Number 7. Vegetable risotto. Risotto is a delicious dish that can be enriched with many vegetables and proteins of your choice. Number 8. Chicken and vegetable wrap. Wraps are a convenient and versatile meal. You can stuff them with chicken, vegetables, and sauces of your choice. Number 9. Kefir and fruit pudding. Kefir pudding is a healthy and filling breakfast. You can make it with fresh fruit and a base of kefir seeds. Number 10. Vegetable sushi. Sushi is a delicious way to eat vegetables in a tasty meal. You can make it with fresh vegetables, whole grain rice, and soy sauce. Incorporating these meals into your weekly diet will help you maintain a balanced diet and provide your body with the nutrients it needs to function at its best. Don't forget that variety is important, so feel free to change or experiment with different ingredients to create dishes that you really like. We hope these meals have inspired you and that you try them soon. Good health to all, from Goodvity.